Why do some people work day and night and still never move ahead, while others quietly become millionaires without any show off? Why does one man stay trapped in EMI payments while another builds an entire empire with the same EMI?
The difference lies in just one thing: mindset. What does the common man do? The moment his salary arrives, he thinks, I need to pay EMIs, school fees, and enjoys the weekend. Whatever remains, he puts it in a fixed deposit, where the returns are even lower than inflation. He buys a house only when he gets a loan and sells it only when he is in trouble. For him, property is just a home, not an investment. Now, what does a smart investor do? He turns that same EMI into an asset. He doesn't see property as an expense but as a tool. He buys a 50 lakh plot, holds it for 2 years, and then sells it at double the price to reinvest in the next project. He doesn't think a short term luxury, he thinks long term leverage.
But are industrialists and politicians doing?
They are buying land, industrial plots, farmhouses, land near the Yeda corridor because they know land doesn't depreciate, it multiplies. Every big infrastructure project boosts their land value. They aren't buying the news, they are buying the future. From 2020 to 2024, the average salary growth in the Noida region was just 8%, but land appreciation went up to 35 to 50%, meaning if someone bought a 50 lakh plot today, it's worth more than 75 lakh. Those depend on salary stayed where they were, but those who bought assets move upward. The common man earns money and spends it. The smart man makes his money work for him. The common man saves for the future. The smart man invests for the future. And industrialists, they buy the future. Now it's time to change your mindset. Buying land isn't just for the rich, it's the responsibility of every wise individual. Because if you don't buy land today, someone else will build their city on its tomorrow. Change your thinking, adopt the right strategy, take database property knowledge from verified source like Om PropTech. Because the common man pays EMI, but the smart investor earns from EMI.